Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we will review Pandas functionality for joining data frames. Data frames, like databases, hold tabular data and we can therefore perform many of the same operations. We load the libraries first, then we create two data frames. The first data frame has two columns, name and color. The second data frame also has two columns, but in this case name and car color. So we have one column that is common between these two data frames. We can add rows to a data frame by using Pandas concat method on both data frames and specifying the parameter ignore index as true. This will add data frame 2 at the end of data frame 1. We can also use the concat method to add columns to data frames, and we can do so by specifying the value of the axis parameter as 1. In SQL, we can join database tables together based on common columns. Databases have different types of joins, and the four common ones include inner join, outer join, and left and right joins. Pandas has a join method which is meant for joining based on index rather than columns. So if we want to join based on columns, we can use the set underscore index method and specify the column before joining the data frames. In Pandas, the actual command for joining is the merge command. It is easier for join operations, and the default value is the inner join. The inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both data frames. If we don't specify the on parameter in merge method, then Pandas will automatically use the columns that have the same name in both data frames as the join key. As I said before, the merge method looks for the common column names and it aligns the values of those columns and adds the values from the outer columns of both data frames. We could specify the parameter how as outer to get the outer join. The outer join returns all the rows from both data frames. A left join keeps the values from the overlapping columns in the data frame that the merge method is called on, in this case df1, and if we run this, we get the left join. Similarly, we can specify the value of how as right to return the right join. The right join returns all rows from the right data frame, which is df2 in this case. If there is a match in the left data frame, df1, it is included. If no match is found, none is used. This was the last video from Matt Harrison's book on learning the Pandas library, and we have covered many concepts so far. In the next video, we will do a data pipeline project using Pandas and the skills that we have learned so far, and then we will review Pandas functionality from the book on practical statistics for data scientists by Peter Bruce, Andrew Bruce, and Peter Gedek in the coming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.